Every mechanical masterpiece begins with a single line, a vision of speed captured on paper before it ever touches the pavement of modern reality. Digital precision transforms a simple dream into a mathematical certainty, where every curve is calculated to slice through the air with absolute mechanical efficiency. Carbon fiber serves as the soul of lightness and rigidity, a high-tech material born from aerospace innovation to redefine the limits of structural performance. In this futuristic sanctuary, art and science merge seamlessly, allowing designers to visualize the invisible forces of physics that will soon shape the vehicle. Absolute accuracy is the only standard that matters here, as millions of data points are analyzed to ensure the hypercar achieves its record-breaking speed goals, while the conceptual phase concludes as the silence of the studio gives way to the industrial roar of the workshop where the physical form begins. The heart of the beast begins with titanium, a metal of extreme heat resistance, forged and carved by diamond tools into a perfect mechanical core. Every spark represents the birth of power, as raw metal is transformed into a sophisticated component capable of enduring the most extreme racing conditions. Lubrication meets precision as pistons are fitted with microscopic tolerances, ensuring that every movement within the V12 engine is smooth, fast, and remarkably powerful. Automation plays a critical role in quality control, with robotic sensors scanning every millimeter to find flaws invisible to the naked human eye during production. An accuracy of 1,000th of a millimeter is the mandatory requirement for this engine, where the smallest error could mean catastrophic failure at high speeds. Human expertise remains irreplaceable as skilled technicians finalize the assembly, bringing a level of intuition and care that machines can never truly replicate. The heart is now complete, a masterpiece of internal combustion engineering, ready to provide the explosive force needed to propel the car toward the horizon. This symphony of metal and fire will soon breathe life into the vehicle, marking the transition from a collection of parts to a living machine. The monocoque chassis begins as a puzzle of carbon fiber sheets, meticulously layered by hand to create the strongest and lightest structure in the world. Each layer must be perfectly aligned, as the integrity of the safety cell depends on the flawlessness of these delicate but incredibly strong woven fibers. Within the high-pressure environment of the autoclave, heat and intensity fuse the layers together, creating a singular, unbreakable bond of advanced composite technology. This is where the strength is truly forged, yet under conditions that simulate the extreme stresses the car will encounter on the world's fastest racing circuits. Emerging from the mold, the chassis is a skeletal work of art, a black pearl of engineering that provides both ultimate protection and extreme performance. Every inch is scrutinized under intense light, ensuring that the foundation of the hypercar meets the rigorous safety standards required for such a high-velocity machine. The backbone of the hypercar is now ready to support the weight of the engine and the power of the driver in a perfect union. Finishing touches on the structural frame combine aesthetic beauty with functional durability, preparing the vehicle for the next stage of its complex assembly process. The nervous system is installed with gold-plated connectors, ensuring that signals travel at the speed of light between the engine and the onboard computer. Over 5 kilometers of high-grade wiring are threaded through the car, creating a sophisticated communication network that controls every aspect of the vehicle's dynamic behavior. Active aerodynamics allow the car to breathe with the wind, adjusting its wings in real time to maximize downforce or minimize drag during high-speed maneuvers. Virtual wind tunnels simulate the invisible forces of nature, allowing engineers to master the airflow and harness the wind to keep the car planted firmly. Intelligence is embedded in every corner, with sensors that read the road 1,000 times per second to provide the perfect balance of comfort and control. The digital mind wakes up, checking all systems for readiness and preparing the driver for a sensory experience unlike anything else in the automotive world. Physical testing confirms the digital theories, as smoke trails reveal a perfect aerodynamic silhouette that cuts through the air like a precision-engineered blade of steel. Success is marked by a green light across the board, signaling that the electrical heart and the aerodynamic lungs of the beast are finally synchronized. As the exterior takes shape, advanced robotics and human hands work in harmony to assemble the final components of this high-speed masterpiece of mechanical design. Luxury and performance collide in the interior, where master artisans spend hundreds of hours hand-stitching the finest materials to ensure a bespoke and comfortable experience. Stopping power is just as vital as speed, with carbon ceramic brakes providing the necessary friction to harness the car's immense kinetic energy safely and reliably. Forged magnesium wheels reduce unsprung weight, allowing the suspension to react faster and the engine to transmit its power to the road with minimal loss. Precision body panels are fitted with zero tolerance, creating a seamless surface that ensures stability at speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour on the track. The final aesthetic inspection reveals a surface so smooth it reflects the world like a mirror, a testament to the thousands of hours of manual labor. Every detail, no matter how small, is a signature of excellence, representing the heritage of a brand that refuses to compromise on quality or
Check
performance.
the alignment right here on
The
the
human
diagram.
touch provides the final layer of perfection,
We need to
as specialists
recalibrate before
polish
the
every
next
surface
phase.
until the car looks more like a jewel than a machine. This clean, high-tech environment is the birthplace of legends, where the future of automotive technology is assembled one bolt and one fiber at a time. The cockpit is designed around the driver, creating a focused environment where every control is within reach and every piece of information is perfectly clear. With the final panels in place and the doors opening wide, the hypercar stands ready to fulfill its destiny on the asphalt of the world. The moment of truth arrives with a single touch, as the dormant mechanical beast is shocked into life with a surge of high-octane electrical energy. His eyes open to the world, casting a fierce glow that signals the awakening of a soul forged from fire, metal, and pure human ambition. The V12 screams for the first time, its voice a terrifying symphony of power that echoes through the halls, announcing its presence to the world. On the test bench, the car unleashes its full potential, proving its power and reliability as it pushes through the gears with violent mechanical precision. Speed becomes a blur as the car transitions from a static object to a dynamic force of nature, ready to conquer any road it encounters. Leaving its birthplace behind, the hypercar enters its natural habitat, where the sun meets the road and the limits of speed are tested daily. This is the pinnacle of mechanical achievement, a testament to what is possible when human ingenuity refuses to accept the boundaries of the known world. The journey from a sketch to a legend is complete, leaving only a trail of light and the promise of an unforgettable driving experience.